Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, October 25th of 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar at the beginning of the trading week. As you can see, the trading calendar is not that impressive today, but there are kind of interesting data from Germany in front of the IFO Business Climate Index, Current Assessment Index, and Expectations Index. All of them are scheduled for release at 10 a.m. At 12 noon, we had Bundesbank Monthly Report, and then at 3 p.m. we got the MPC member Silavnia Tenreyro to give a speech. MPC member is of course from the UK. For the IFO data, as you can see, mostly the market participants expect a slight drop in business climate, in current assessment, and even with expectations. So they expect the business, the environment to do the business in Germany will decrease during the next month. So we will see whether the market participants will be surprised by the actual reading, by the actual data or not. So that's kind of interesting today. So let's maybe take a look at the majors today. So of course we are going to start with the euro dollar. As you can see, the level of 1.1662 is still the major technical resistance for this pair. We've been testing this level at least 3 times, and every time we got a big upper shadow, of course, and there is no daily candle close above this level yet. So it looks like that was all. That's it. That's everything that Boost can do with the recent rally from the lows of the middle of the October, 1.1537, around 125 pips rally or a bounce. We can say if there is no breakout, no sustained breakout above 1.1662 level, then of course we will reverse. And with that situation, we are going to continue to move lower inside of this channel. This is very dangerous move for Boost. Why? Because if the market is rejected from 1.1662 for sure, which means we are going lower below 1.1604, then the next target is 50% of the Fibonacci retracement, 1.1497. Please notice at the level of 1.1504 there is very important long-term technical support, a key technical support at this level. So Boost should defend this level, because any violation of this level is of course very, very negative in consequences for Boost. So we should expect some sort of the fight around this level, because if not, then the euro to the dollar will drop significantly lower. Moreover, as you can see, the RSI indicator, which is the momentum indicator, it shows us that the level of the 50 points, of course, is still a neutral level, and the market is trying to break above this level, which means it's trying to break above the 1.1662 technical resistance, but there is no positive, no bullish momentum yet. So even despite this recent bounce, the market is still under the influence of bears. So supply side of the market is having control on this in this situation, and they are in the better situation right now because they can push the market lower. So please keep an eye on the euro to the American dollar, because it's in the very interesting situation right now. Euro to the Japanese yen, what is going on there? As we can see, The recent move up in wave 3 has not been completed yet. Why? Because there is no 5 waves in wave 3. So we got the wave 1 of wave 3, wave 2 of wave 3, wave 3 of wave 3, or as we call it, third wave of the third wave, correction wave 4, and we should complete the wave 3 higher, which means as long as the level of the highs of here 130.44 is not clearly violated, there is a chance for this market to go towards 134.12, basically to complete the wave 3, and then the corrective wave 4 might be expected. So generally euro to the yen should go higher. What is going on then on the US dollar index in that situation? US dollar index is back in channel, is back in the short-term channel, this one with the golden kind of orange golden borders, and in the middle of the big gray channel, ascending channel. Moreover, it almost retraced, it retraced 38% of the recent rally here. So 38% is retraced, and to be honest, the market is ready to continue the move up, which is very important in this situation, because we already, as you can see, testing the neutral conditions, and now this is make or break situation. Either we are going to bounce significantly back out of the channel, out of the let's say orange channel, towards 94.27, 94.47 levels, which means this momentum will be, of course, increasing as well, or will break lower, and the momentum will be breaking lower as well. So then the next target will be 92.62, 92.92 apparently, which is the key, which is just above the key technical support. 92.92 is 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of the last wave up. So it's up to bulls what they are going to do with the current situation, whether they will bounce or whether they will just simply retrace even deeper on the US dollar index. Very interesting situation, key situation here as well. Please keep an eye on this market. So what else should we take a look on is, of course, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. So what do we have here? As expected, we are finally making a wave 4 correction. The question is whether this correction had been completed already, or maybe it will be a little bit more complex correction than we can see here on the chart. As you know, there is a top of the wave 3, a new all-time high, 66,938, but that's not the end of the overall impulsive wave to the upside, because that's only the top for the wave 3. We need wave 4 correction here, and then of course we need last push to the upside in wave 5. So far we retraced, let me just put 23% of the Fibonacci retracement here, because I'm wondering whether this will be very, very shallow retracement. There you go. This is very, very shallow retracement, 23%. Just a little below this level. We have a very nice candle here. We have a pin bar on the technical support, 59,528, and then we have so far a confirmation of this bounce. If we break above 62,517, then the next target is all-time high. And then let me just put it on the screen, and then we can even go higher towards the last all-time high, 66,938. So that's the level here. Let me just put it on the screen, 938. There you go, to that to the point. So it looks good for bulls. It still looks good for bulls because this is something we expected. Wave 4 pullback or wave 4 correction, apparently. Wave 4 correction. We are waiting for the wave 5 to complete the overall impulsive structure. If this is the low for the wave 5, sorry, for the low for the wave 4, let me just put some levels on the screen for the target levels for the wave 5. So that would be this, this, and this. And let's just figure it out. We will have even 0.61, this is enough. So 0.61 is somewhere around the level of 100% and 61%. 0.61, there you go, it's here. It's 76,298. That might be one of the targets. And let me just do the measure of the potential. Maybe let's make the cluster, some sort of the cluster around. That would be 2.68. 2.68 is okay, and 1.68 a little bit too low. 2.24. There you go. This is very, very interesting. This is very, very interesting, and yeah, there you go. I will use this levels here as my projection for the wave 5 target. There you go. Very interesting cluster here, especially around the level of 76,000, right? So that might be the target for the wave 5 for today. If, of course, this level is the low for the wave 4, but we don't know that yet. But we will. Soon we will know whether this will be the low or whether, and that's the target, or maybe wave 4 will be a triangle or something like this. So we have to wait a little bit longer for this correction to terminate and then the uptrend to resume. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and